All right, let's take a quick look at the use of a UST. In my case, I'm using 3 DKX4 USTs. On my work surface in front of me, I have 3 1920, 1080, 60 frame displays connected to my primary DKX4 UST behind me with my primary keyboard and mouse connected. And I have a secondary one for the 3 55-inch UHDs behind me. Now, I like to watch different things from day to day, time to time, monitoring servers, news, different sources to see what's going on. But when I'm working from minute to minute, I have I'm leveraging basically a DKX4 UST, and I have 3 different computers. Now, we can use, which is a huge security thing. We could have disparate systems to be watching at this point. Or, in most cases in a high-performance KVM world, you're required to dedicate a channel, an entire video channel, to a display. And in our case, we could rotate those displays, or we can actually go to where we have multiple views within that display. And just with a key sequence, what I'm doing is changing the layout of my work environment. Now, why I do this in a lot of cases, I want to monitor displays maybe in targets that are going on like I am up above. But really what happens is I'm ergonomically correct at this point with my keyboard, monitor, and mouse to do my work. And I have a series of keyboard sequences that I can just change. So on our ingest of what we're doing right now, I have my video editing over here that I can watch to stop and start. I actually have my video editing software here on my primary screen. I've got my corporate email and things going on with another PC. Could be accounting PC or something like that. Or it could be a dual display from a single target, or triple as we're talking about. But basically all I have to do is hit my key sequences, and I can shift the position of what I'm working on so that I can stay focused and not have to shift my field of view or rotate my body to do things across other displays. It's personal choice. It's just an option, something you can do. Or we can, of course, go back and have all these displays up and running. I want to talk really quick about the fact that I'm monitoring some systems up above with a second DKX4 UST, and I'm actually able to bring these together over Ethernet. And although I can't take a screen up top, my mouse and keyboard is seamless to roll up to the other window to manage to it. And just like I had down below, I have my keyboard sequences so that I can change maybe what my primary screens are, and I can switch between different views. And it's that easy. And we were just talking about a dual connected PC, dual display out. This is a perfect example. Keyboard and mouse sync. I opened it up from the right screen. I can drag it across from screen to screen just to give you an idea. We actually support, believe it or not, up to 6 displays from a single target now. So that's a really well-kept secret. Dual display, possibly 3 for like an Ignite type system. Once again, we can view those multiple displays, or we can actually bring them down to a 1-to-1 scenario in our work surface just in front of our eyes. Let's move on to a couple other things now.